So, exactly 1 month ago, I uploaded this video right here, and I promise this. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the 1 month review of this Mizuno. So now it's time to play. So, here we go. So, it's been a month wearing these shoes, and no matter what shoes you wear, it takes a little bit of time to adjust with them with your old ones. And some problems that I faced were that the new shoes was rubbing off my ankle a bit, and because of this shiny material, I think it is going to crack from this angle. So most importantly, how I like to play with. I think that it feels excellent while kicking a ball on this type of surface right here, and the grip makes it even more comfortable to kick a ball. And the one thing that I like very much about these shoes is that they are very easy to clean and gets clean very nicely. And especially I think that with these shoes I can get a good control over the ball. So this table that you are seeing right here gives different points to the different criteria that we have given. So if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and check this chart out.